This beautiful custom home is ideally situated on a peaceful 2 acres in Benton County, just minutes from Corvallis or Philomath. Enjoy spectacular Cascade views from this tranquil property in the Willamette Valley's wine country. It includes a large shop of 3,600 square feet. Heading inside, discover an inviting interior with natural light and plenty of space for entertaining or family gatherings. The family room opens to the kitchen with breakfast bar seating, peaceful views, and tons of storage space. On the upper level, the vaulted master suite is a private, spacious retreat. It includes a separate space perfect for taking in the views, plus its own full bath and a walk-in closet. This home of more than 2,900 square feet has a total of 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. The large deck is ready for year-round entertaining. The 40 by 60-foot shop has 3 10-foot bays with plenty of room for all of your toys, plus an expansive upstairs area that could be converted into an apartment. Facing the Cascades, you'll enjoy breathtaking sunrises and mountain views. And you're close to natural areas with extensive outdoor recreation options. An exceptional property ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Bryan Rehnberg with Premier Property Group at 541-619-1449.